Hi guys, Cindy here. So today we're just going to do an unboxing of my LashyBox that came in. I needed to go ahead and do this so that I could wear some of them. I wanted to try them on. I wanted to do a try on, but I can't because my husband's got the TV going real loud, and we tried that a couple months ago and it just didn't work out real well. So we're just going to do the unboxing. So here we go. I did cut it. I don't know if y'all can see my address or not. It's not a secret, but we're not supposed to be showing those, so I'm not. So I'm opening it. Here's on the inside. Okay. So, and this is the soft Glam box. That's what I get. These are a good size. We like the flashy ones. These are called Blossom. I might wear these today. I do get compliments. I was wearing mink, and I decided that I didn't like the idea of little animals being locked up, so I'm going to try to just use silk. Although silk are not vegan either. They say they boil the silkworms to get it. But anyway, these are 3D silk. And then these are called Blossom, and they look real nice. I might wear these today. These are called Rosie. I don't know if I've had these before. And they're 3D silk. And these are good too, but I'll probably wear the others. The others look a little bit fluffier to me. Okay, then we got mascara. I will try that because like yesterday, and is it sealed? It is tape sealed, so that's good. And this is Illuminati. They do a lot of Illuminati brand, and so we'll give that a try. See how it works out. It's a cute little package. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, we've got some Zola lashes. I like Zola lashes. I might wear the Zola lashes. These are 3D silk. So this has been a good box then. I got 3 sets of silk. Reusable up to 30 times. I'm getting where I can wear mine a little bit longer. But, when you're first starting to wear lashes and everything, you get a bunch of glue all over the place, and there's no wearing them 30 times. I might could wear them 5 or 6. I don't know. Maybe more. We'll just have to see. And the next is Ruby May lashes. These are just synthetic, made in PRC. These are called Sweetie. The Zola lashes, which I like Zola lashes. And these just say Ruby May Premium 3D Lashes. I'm fine with those. I like my silk and mink, but we're going to have to quit wearing mink. I'm going to wear the ones I've got, and I don't know if I'll buy any more because I just feel bad about the little minks being locked up and stuff. Okay, we got a little bit of glue. We hardly ever get glue, but we got some today. So, and then we've got a palette, which is nice. This is Oakland palette, and Color Parade. It's sealed nice. Hopefully I'll wear this today. If I don't, last month's palette, it wasn't my colors, and I've got a bunch of palettes, and so I give some, I'll probably be giving them away. I'm still wearing the same polish I put on the other night. This one little nail here, he's getting beat up because he doesn't have the protection of a tip on him. But this is the way it is. Well, looks like we're just going to have to break this seal. So we had to break it off. So, Eyeshadow Palette, Color Parade, Oakland. I do have some other Oakland stuff, but I've got it from LashyBox. Okay, so this is browns and reds and stuff. And purple. I've got stuff this color, so I don't know if I'm going to wear this today or not. Maybe if I had been doing a get ready with me, I would have, but they're real pretty. They're embossed. I might save these and give them away, or I might wear it some other time, but I've got plenty of these colors, but they look like nice colors. So, anyway. So, I didn't get to get all dressed up and do my makeup for y'all. Not that anyone cares. So, I'm just right out of the shower, but no, I'm not going to take a thumbnail. Y'all just have to see it. Maybe they'll do a good picture of the box up. So I will see you guys later. Y'all have a great day. And keep remembering, my son-in-law is sick with the COVID. He's in the hospital. and his lungs are destroyed. So they're going to start him on a new medication today, and so we'll just have to see. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.